Hello friends, in this video you will learn to remove duplicates from an unsorted linked list program. The task is given an unsorted linked list of n nodes. The task is to remove duplicate elements from this unsorted linked list. If all the nodes in the linked list are equal, then remove n-1 nodes. Input output, I will explain with example. Our task is you have to complete the method remove duplicates, which takes one argument, the head of the linked list. And here is the example. Input. First one is the number of test cases. So input we need not to consider, but the logic we need to know. If there are duplicates, 2, 2. So remove the 1, 2 to make it without to make it the remove duplicates list 5 to 4. In the same way, by observing the second linked list, because all nodes having the same data, then remove n-1, only print 1 like 2. To solve this task, I have written a code. Here is our code. See this, remove duplicates. To solve this task, I am using set, taking integers. The variable name is s. To travel in this linked list, I am using one variable t, nodes.t equal to head. Nothing but t pointing 5 now. Then I'm checked out, started traveling by using while t next not null. When suppose t next is null, there is no need to check anymore. So if it is not, see this, next is 2. So there is a chance to enter into this while loop. Then s dot insert t data. So file is inserted into the set. Then check this, s dot find t next data. T next data is 2. So 2 is in the set or not? Not. But see this. If it is present in this set, then only this if condition execute. Otherwise, else block will execute. Then t equal to t next. So we move to the t position to 2. Then t next is null or not? Not null. T having some data. Then s dot insert t data. 2 is inserted into the set. Then check this. 2 t next data. Nothing but t next data is this 2, not this 2, this second one. Both are same because in the set this data is exist. Then this block executes. T next equal to t next next. Nothing but this t next is pointing the 4 now. T next value is 4 now. This next data pointing, this next pointing 4 now by this statement. Then comes t next not null. Yes. T next null or not. It is not null. 4 is the data. 4 address is there. Then s dot insert t data. T data is now once again 2 now because we didn't move from this 2. So once again 2 entered into this, but only 2 is there. Then see this. Is the next one is same or not? S dot find t next data 4 is the in the set or not? Not set. Then this block execute. T moves t next. Now we are at the 4. Then check the 4. This while condition. T next not null. but t is pointing 4 now, but t next is null. Then while stops execution, it returns head as usual. Then the output is this 2 is removed. Then 5 to 4 is the output. By seeing the second test case, see this, what is happening is we are at the position of 2, t is 2, set is empty now. Then t next not null or not null. It is true. T next is some other element. 2 is there. Some element is there. So s dot insert 2 is inserted. Then check this condition. S dot find t next data is this 2. So it is in the set. Then this block execute. T moves t next equal to t next next. Nothing but this next value is this 2. Then once again 2 is inserted. 2 already is there. So once again this check is t next data is once again this 2, not this 2, this 2, third 2. This is also in the set. Once again this execute. In the same way, it is executed up to t next is become null. So t next is null up to this end. Then t next is null. This while loop stops execution, returns head. So in this case, these all are removed. This t next is value null. So output is only 2. This is the output. See, our code is right or not by compile test. See this. Expected output, our output is same. 5 to 4 and 2. Then submit. Okay. Correct answer with the execution time 0.38. Happy to see you. Thanks for watching.